Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I've got a very cool 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. And this is not your typical grandma's Malibu that's going and picking up the groceries. This one's had some upgrades like upgraded suspension, Z28 wheels, cowl hood, custom interior, and an LS engine underneath the hood. So let's go ahead and jump into this review. As we work our way up front here, you've got that paint match bumper, you've got a nice chrome grille, new headlights, cowl hood. All your body lines and your gaps on this vehicle are in good condition. The paint looks really nice. It's a blue metallic, and the paint work was done very nice on this car. It shows very, very well. As we look at the fender here, it's in great condition. Your body lines are even all the way down. You do have an LSX badge there. For you people that aren't very familiar with that, that's just basically telling you that it's got an LS platform engine in there, basically is what it is. You've got some original Z28 wheels that have been refurbished and repainted. They look really good on here. Definitely give it that muscle car feel. As you look at your door is in excellent condition. Your chrome on your mirrors and your door handles and your drip rail are in excellent condition. Your body line gap is in good condition. We'll go ahead and open up the door. Door shuts nice and even. It's not sagging. Overall good condition. You have some nice window tint on here. It looks to be about 25%, so it'll help protect the interior. As we look at the passenger door here, it's in great condition. Your body lines are nice and even all the way down. Door shuts nice and good on it as well. As we look at the rear quarter back here, it's nice and even. And as I'm looking down the car here, I don't see any major imperfections or dents or dings or scratches. You got your Z28 wheel out back as well. We'll go ahead and open up the gas cap here. You can see how clean it looks, brand new in there. One other thing I wanted to mention, the luggage rack pieces here, they've been powder coated black. So that's not just paint black, it's actually powder coated. So it's a little stronger than normal paint. As we work our way around the back here, the bumper was deleted and had this roll pan put on here where the brake lights are installed. Definitely a really sporty look. And your glass is tinted back here as well. Just super, super cool. We'll go ahead and open up the rear glass here. You've got this huge cargo space back here, and another cool feature about this is you can actually lay that seat down and have like a full bed back there. So you could camp in this thing. You know, you could take it on road trips, the hot rod power tour. You could do a lot of cool things with this. I thought it'd be cool to take it to LS Fest, and instead of spending all that money on a camper, I could just hop in the back of here and sleep. But overall, very cool. But let's go ahead and move back up front so I can show you the engine underneath the hood. All right, guys, check out that power plant underneath the hood there. That's an LM753 all aluminum. It's got an LS2 intake manifold. You've got some Summit cast aluminum exhaust manifolds, some nicely painted red valve covers there. You do have ice cold AC on this one as well. All the internals are stock on this motor, no cam or anything like that. As you can tell, you got your PCM over there on the side of the fender over there. It's all nicely done. The wires are all tucked nicely. You've got all your relays that are labeled, so it makes it really easy to work on. You got a brand new master cylinder. Overall, the engine bay is very, very clean on this wagon here, and it fits in with the rest of the car. Just overall great quality and workmanship on this one. As you can look underneath the hood there, you got some really nice paint there with clear coat on it. It just looks really nice. Not only is this a driver, but this is definitely one you can take to a cruise in or a car show and definitely win some trophies. But guys, let's go ahead and move to the interior on this one because that's one of the best parts of this car. Guys, check out this beautiful interior. Your dash is in excellent condition. You know, these cars, you know, from this era are kind of notorious from the plastics on the dash going bad over time from the UV light, from the sun cracking them, but this one's in great condition. Even your instrument panel here is in excellent condition. The plastic for the front cover here is in excellent condition. All your knobs, your wipers, your turn signals, your column, even this aftermarket Forever Sharp steering wheel with the wood grain on there just looks super good in here. You've got brand new carpet. You've got this custom center console as well with that Hurst shifter in there. I even like the detail with the stitching. That just adds a lot of little character to the interior. You've got the matching seats as well. You got brand new carpet in here. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier or not, but this car's got ice cold AC. You even have these really nice wrapped door panels here that have the stitching in them as well that just follows out throughout the entire car. And the back seats are the same as the front, black leather with the white stitching, and just looks really, really good overall this interior is fantastic, and it definitely fits this Restomod build. But guys, let's go ahead and jump in this one. Let's take this one for a drive. All right guys, we're out cruising in this Malibu, man, and one thing that I noticed right off the bat is how quiet it is in here. You don't hear any rattles or creaks or anything like that. That's really big with me because that stuff drives me crazy when I hear something rattling or creaking. But overall, just a great driving car. As you can see, I'm driving here with one hand. The car drives straight down the road. The alignment's really good. And that's due to the QA1 suspension up front, tubular A-arms and everything that this car has. The seating position is really good as well. The seats are comfortable. I really like this Hurst shifter. It allows you to, you know, if you want to manually shift it, you know, if you got a Mustang or something pulls up next to you and you want to show them what's up in the station wagon, you know, you can click it down in a second and allow you to get on it a little bit. But overall, just a super, super cool car. AC works really good. Steering is amazing on it. Like I said, due to the aftermarket suspension, this thing actually handles really good to be a station wagon. But overall, great driving car. Don't hear any rubbing from the wheels. Exhaust sounds really good. It's not overly loud, but definitely has a good throaty sound to it. But overall, just a really nice car. And that's what you expect from us here at Collectible. We try to strive to find the nicest inventory in the Atlanta or even the Southeast area. But overall, just an awesome car. Let's go ahead and take this one back to the shop. Let's put it up on the lift and I'll show you the underside. All right guys, we got the Malibu up on the lift here at the dealership. Give me your patience. It might take me a little bit of time to go through this. This car has a lot of things done to it, but we'll start with the suspension up front. You have QA1 suspension. You also have a nice aluminum radiator with electric fans, but this suspension right here is what gives this car such a good ride. It's tubular A-arms, upper and lower. You've got some nice disc brakes as well, and you have some really nice lowering springs and shocks in there that just give this thing a really good ride. As you can see here, you do have a Holley oil pan to help fit in there so it's not sitting too low. You do have a 4L60 transmission, which really allows some nice shifts and it really handles the power well. You've got an aftermarket cross member here for the transmission. Your frame on this car has been completely stripped down and powder coated, and everything was put back on it. It has also been boxed in to add some strength to it so you don't get any flex. But overall, the bottom side of this Malibu is in excellent condition. You've got some really nice dual exhaust to an X pipe here, and it does look like it is stainless. And you've got some nice Flowmaster mufflers. That's what gives you that really good sound. Out back here, we do have a different company that made the suspension. This is UMI. They're both really good companies. They're both very well known in the Restomod world. So they both make good products. You do have their lowering springs back here as well. You got a brand new fuel tank as well with a new fuel pump in there. So no issues with that. And you've got your drums out back here. I don't see any signs of any leaks or anything like that. Our mechanic Carson looks over these vehicles to make sure that they're top notch for you guys. Once again, here at Collectible, that's what we strive for, is excellent cars that will give you an awesome experience when you buy them. You won't have to do any major work to them. But overall, guys, if you're interested in this Malibu, give us a call at 770-738-7111. If you are watching this video and have not viewed this car on our website, go to collectiblemotor.com, click inventory, scroll down till you see this car, click on it. We've got a nice description on it, as well as about 70 pictures that you can look through and see how nice this beautiful Malibu is. But guys, with that being said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We're all the time coming out with really cool car content like this. We do occasional builds. We do some behind the scenes, some other things like that. Also, if you guys are interested in merch, we do sell some really nice t-shirts as well as these hats, as Justin can see, and they fit awesome, guys. I wear a lot of hats. If you see me out in public, I'm wearing a hat. So I have a whole wall in my closet full of hats, and this is some of the best hats that I've worn. So if you guys are interested in that, you can go to our website, top right-hand corner. It says merch. You can click on there and you can order directly from our website. But guys, I'll go ahead and cut this off, and we'll catch you on the next one.